Hey, what's going on, guys? I'm gonna be playing Wolf Simulator, so let's just play. I'm gonna go to Green Hills. Whatever that place is. This is my first ever time being in this game, so whoa, this is really cool. Go hunting. Alright, how hunting I go? Okay, so what are we supposed to hunt? Oh, I see animals. Hold on. Let me just go over there. I see. I'm pretty sure. Yeah, I see animals. I think there's like raccoons or something. There's a dead animal right here. So, okay, I'm attacking a raccoon. That's something nice about raccoon. Dude, these raccoons like so strong. Like it's like that almost killed me. I'm gonna upgrade like my. So I'm buying gems. Oh no, I'm just using my other gems that I just have. Buy gem position. So I got like 100 something health or something. Why are numbers above my head? That's weird. That's not something you usually see like all the time or something. This wolf game has very bad graphics. Is there more ammo sign? Oh, freak yeah, there's a big deer. Whoa, those do so much damage. That's just back out, run! Holy freaking shoot, that does so much damage. I'm trying to run. There's another wolf there. Go. Wait, does my health just constantly just keep going up? Let's follow this guy, see if we can team up with him. The freaking deer's still after me, dude. Help. The freaking deer's retarded. Go run. Let's run. So I'm guessing that your health just keeps going up. Okay, those are just like rats or something. I don't freaking know what the heck he's. Because rabbit. So I'm guessing like all the small animals like rabbits and like rats and mice in this game, like you can easily kill. Like I'm gonna have to come to end of view soon, so I'm only like recording for like 4 minutes. I don't know why. Like I record for so like little minutes or something. Maybe just because my storage, but anyway guys, I'm gonna end right there. Like and subscribe. Like this video, subscribe, and peace out.